There's an Oklahoma boating event happening a mile down the street. This is the Chaparral 23 Surf. This is one of Chaparral's most popular models. 6.2 300 horsepower V8 engine with digital throttle and shift. $9,000 rebate. We just finished our Oklahoma Boating Expo and we were wanting to continue that momentum. Events like this cost thousands of dollars and we're gonna pass all those savings on to you, the consumer. A mile down the street, we're at 21st and Sheridan. Free parking. We're gonna be open later hours. We've got more than 40 boats on hand on our showroom. We've got more than 200 boats in total inventory. We've got brands like Vexus, Camus, Robalo, Chaparral, Bennington Tri-Tunes, and Mastercraft. We've got some great inventory. We've got some great factory rebates in excess of more than $100,000. We've got some great low rate financing on some of our closeout 2024 models. You're not gonna wanna miss this opportunity. This is gonna be the best opportunity to find a boat if you're looking for something in 2025. Stop in at 21st and Sheridan. We might be able to save you some time. We will definitely save you some money. This is the Chaparral 23 Surf. This is one of Chaparral's most popular models. This boat is paired with a Malibu surf gate system. This will help you and your family dial up the perfect wave and learn to surf. This is a great value for families wanting to get into boating that also have a great surfing capability. This boat has an extended swim platform, all one level, topped with sea deck, so it's non-slip. You have a rear stereo control. You've got a great rear seating arrangement so you can watch your riders. And we put that down and we've got a great rear walk-through so you don't step on any upholstery. Like I said, this is a fantastic value for entry-level families wanting to have a nice boat but also have some great surf capabilities. You've got a surf system in your screen to dial up your perfect wave. You've got a 6.2 300 horsepower V8 engine with digital throttle and shift. Bravo 4 drive, great seat bolsters and your plush upholstery, plenty of storage. Sea deck on the floor. We've got seating capacity for 13 passengers. We've got a Velocity water sports tower with bimini. Got a great deep bow. Handrails on the top. You also have bow filler cushion for extra seating. We've got this boat sale priced at $111,000. We also have a $9,000 rebate. Come see us, Chaparral 23 Surf.